Welcome back to the channel. Another day, another big tech giant getting hacked. And this time it is Oracle. Yes, the database giant. They got hacked, but that's not actually the story here. The real story is how they chose to respond when they were asked about the attack. Now, I've pulled this article specifically from the register.com because I do like the headline here, and it says, Oracle Cloud Security snafu latest, IT giant accused of pedantry as evidence scrubbed 1990s incident response in 2025. So it says here that 2 Oracle data security breaches have been reported in the past week, and the database Goliath not only remains reluctant to acknowledge the disasters publicly, it may be scrubbing the web of evidence too. So it turns out that way back in January of this year, we had a hacker who goes by the name of Rose87168. They claimed that they had hacked Oracle, they had stolen millions of records, they had accessed at least 2 login systems for the US Gens Cloud customers, and of course they had stolen information like passwords, encrypted LDAP passwords, security certificates, and so much more. Now, initially, when Oracle was asked about this breach, they denied it. They said, no, it's fake news. It's fake news. You heard it on CNN. It's not real. We were never hacked. That's not true. Until finally, last week, they came out and said, okay, yeah, we got hacked. My bad. Yeah, we got hacked. It's true. Listen, I understand that being a tech giant like Oracle, getting hacked can be very, very embarrassing. I get it. What's even worse is how they chose to deny it in the first place by saying, hey, we were never hacked. It's not true. But you know what? Do you want to know what makes it even worse? Is the fact that Oracle knew they had been hacked and they actually informed only a few of their clients. That's right, Oracle did in fact reach out to some of their clients, told these clients that, hey, we've been hacked, this is what you should do, while ignoring the rest of their clients. This is what Oracle did. And of course, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to know that the clients that they reached out to most likely are the ones who give them the most money, right? Their most important customers, while ignoring the others. This is extremely disappointing from Oracle because Oracle are easily one of the most powerful tech companies in the world. Their databases power tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of companies all around the world. And the fact that they chose to try and gaslight the public about them being hacked, it's a huge red flag. When you've been hacked, the best thing you should do is to publicly acknowledge that, hey, look, yes, we've been hacked, and this is what we're doing to make sure that we never get hacked again. Oracle was like, no, we were never hacked. It's not true. It's not real. It's fake. It's fake. Until finally, after a lot of pressure, they admitted it last week that, hey, we suffered not just 1, but actually 2 security breaches. In fact, the first one involved like a medical records or something like that. Anyway, the whole point here is that if you're watching this as an incident response manager or you want to be involved in incident response, one thing you should never do is neglect the public relations aspect of it, the communication aspect of it. Yes, you can focus on the technical aspects, trying to stop the attack as soon as possible, trying to limit the damage as much as you can, trying to restore your systems back as quickly as you can. Yes, all that is fine, but a key part of incident response is how you communicate to the public, is how you let them know that you have been hacked. You should never try to hide the fact that you've been hacked. Come out, acknowledge it, and say, yes, we were hacked, but this is what we're doing to make sure that we never get hacked again. That's how you build credibility. That's how you build trust. Right now, everyone's looking at Oracle like, hey, you guys got hacked and you lied about it. How can we trust you moving on from now? So it's going to be very interesting to see how Oracle responds in the next few days. What happens? I don't know if they're going to lose a lot of money. Maybe a lot of people might decide that hey, you know what? We're not going to deal with Oracle anymore. We're going to move on to someone else. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, do give it a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone who may feel might benefit from it. And of course, if you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I talk about all content related to cybersecurity and of course AI as well. So if you enjoyed this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe out there and I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.